Hi guys, I'll be making a tutorial on reset. Deadman Move will be making a tutorial too, but I'm just doing this for the fun of it. Anyway, this trade requires two decks of cards. There will be the 4 of aces and the 4 of queens. So for the 4 of aces, the setting up of your deck should be like this, which is the ace of diamond, the ace of spades, the ace of clubs, and the ace of hearts. And for the queens, you have the queen of hearts, the queen of spades, the queen of diamonds, and the queen of clubs. Okay, the trick begins by you showing off all 4 cards and placing the deck of queens on top the deck of aces, and then you pull off the queen of hearts, the first queen, and the last ace, the first card and the last card. You pull it off together like that. That means you have 2 cards together, and then you pull off another card, the queen of spades, and at the same time performing a pinky break here. This is to ready yourself for the beadle cut later on. Okay, now you're going to perform the beadle cut, which you have you do it on the queen of diamonds. So you bring the deck over, the deck on your right hand, bring it over, take the queen of spades to the back of the deck, take it, and then you pull the queen of diamonds off, and at the same time performing a pinky break so that you can beadle cut the queen of clubs. Okay, we'll do it the same again. You take hold of the queen of diamonds with the back of your deck and pull off the queen of clubs like that. So now it will look as if you have pulled off all 4 queens on your left hand and you have all 4 aces on your right hand, but actually you have 3 aces and 2 queens on your right deck and 2 queens and 1 ace on your left deck. So you turn this deck around, put it on the table, take a box and cover it up so that the spectators will know that you are not using anything. You won't be touching that deck anymore. Okay, now for this, what you're going to do with this is that you're going to pull off the first card and perform a beadle cut with the second card, so that when your deck goes over, you hold the ace of diamonds and you pull off the ace of spades at the same time. See? So now the ace of diamonds is behind this deck. And when you're pulling off, when you're taking the ace of diamonds, make sure that you have a thumb break behind, so that for your next pull, you're going to pull off all 3 cards at the same time, which are the ace of clubs, the queen of spades, and the queen of diamonds. You're going to pull it off, and the remaining card will be the ace of diamonds, and you just put it on top. So now the positioning of your cards will be 2 ace, 2 queens, and another ace, and it would be in this order, so that you have the ace of diamonds, the ace of clubs, the queen of spades, the queen of diamonds, and the ace of spades. Okay, this concludes the first half.